So guys, this is Nehal's cube and he doesn't know that I am doing a professional scramble for him. I'll show the scramble here. So if you want to follow along, you can also scramble your cube. So guys, I have shuffled Nehal's cube. So Nehal, there's your shuffled cube.
Thank you. Now let me solve it. There's a daisy done. And there's the white cross done. And there's your white side done now. Now the second layer. I can't see this. And there's the second layer done. Okay. And there's the yellow side done now. It's very easy. That this, that did this. And there's the cube done. That's a weird club.
Nehal, I'm very happy that you learned to solve the Rubik's Cube from the tutorial series. High five!
Thanks. So guys, we hope you like this video. If it is, smash that like button and win. See you all next time. Goodbye.